My name is Nancy, and I work in IKEA as a demand planner in children. I think I have been in the last 2 years that try to develop my leadership. And then when I heard that this program has started, I'm very much interested to, because that can be like a trial for me to practice in the real world in a way. For me, that they are more like friends to me. It's not like the manager or the co-workers, it's not like that. We are just chatting and sharing whatever that I have learned, and sometimes that she can give me some of the insights. The best part is that we have 3 of the supervisors coming from demand planner. We are like a team together. Since we are all like new to this process, we haven't really so much experience of the interviewing. You can say that we are like classmates together to learn and to study. And then even during the interview, that if I'm very much nervous for the first round, I will invite someone to come and to support me, to observe and give me the feedback. I think this is the best part, that I always feel I'm not alone.